reason a lot of horror movies today don't work on me as well is they go to the tried and true sound design rule book of the bangs and the jump scares. So we went in the other direction. There's an example where I wrote in the script where Melanie appears in a vast landscape and I say, it's as if she's in a soundproofed room. So that was written in the script. We shot it in a certain way, and it wasn't until the very, very end of the edit that we sort of got the courage to take my own advice and we pulled sound out. The cinematographer and I, Wyatt Garfield, we made this comparison a lot about when you'd watch art films from the 60s or 70s, they really only had one optical track to work with, and they would just kind of like pick one thing in the room that mattered, and then they would make that the sound. We adopted that approach. Our sound mixer in the final mix, he sort of even was questioning. He was like, I like what you're doing here. Are you sure you want to do this? We had a sense where in this scene, in this sequence, when Melanie's in, we'll call it the bog, there's only one track of sound that we're hearing. I don't know if that's something you want to pay attention to or you'll just notice when you're watching it, and hopefully after effect you'll realize that we were doing that very consciously.